that. Okay, so I'm not too sure if these are my people right here. I can't see from far away if these are my officers or is that black helicopter that follows me all the time. But whatever, you know? Let's see what happens. There's another one coming, right? Okay. Oh, and somewhere else. Last time I had military helicopters by my house. 2 of them. I should have recorded that one. Oh, there he is. He just went that way. What's up, guys? They're my officers. Hey, more power to you. Long Beach PD, you guys are awesome. Thank you for your help.